Well, are they gonna do this one? Wait, was this a WWF48 one?
Forecast. The river will rise above flood stage early this morning to 12.2 feet. It will then fall late this morning. Flood stage is 12.0 feet.
It probably is.
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Yup, it was.
Flood warning in effect from Thursday afternoon to early Friday afternoon. What? Minus forecast.
Why is the reception?
Where? Connecticut River at Montague. Early this morning. It will then fall below flood.
Alright, well, anyways. Got that one. So that's what, 2 now? Oh man. I saw Albany issues flood warning while I was trying to fix the WR11's reception. And I was like, oh god, are my radios about to go off again? But they didn't. So I figured it was probably WWF48 or something. Because I know how Albany is with their Connecticut rivers. You know. Anyways.